Welcome back! Today we are going to be doing an experiment to remind us how St. Patrick drove out the snakes out of Ireland.
So this experiment has a lot to do with surface tension, and you may have seen it done before, but we're going to put a different spin on it. So you've heard that St. Patrick drove out the snakes of Ireland, but did you know that the snakes were not actually snakes? They were actually the sins of the pagan people.
So first we are going to be using our strips of paper and we're going to be writing sins on it. You can put cheating, stealing, lying, any sin you want.
So now we're going to put our pepper in, making sure that we don't dump the whole pepper in. You just want to sprinkle it.
So, how does it float? Well, surface tension is an effect where the surface of a liquid is strong. This is because molecules in the water being attracted to each other. This is why pepper is floating on top of the water.
Now we're going to take our snakes of sin and place them carefully in our bowl.
So now it's time for St. Patrick to drive those snakes out of Ireland.
So we're just going to take our Q-tip and our soap and completely cover your Q-tip with the soap.
Carefully touch the surface of your water with the Q-tip.
As you can see, we drove our snakes to the outskirts of the country. We used a powdery kind of pepper, but you can use whatever kind of pepper you want to see if it works.
Keep on experimenting.
And don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.